And want to do another haunting of Herobrine. And yeah, actually this is my little house I was making. And yeah, pretty cool, right? Yeah, I like it. Better. Now I decided that I wanted to do another one, and I'm not sure if my friend can join quite yet. I have to do videos. I'm not sure how many I'm going to have to make, but hopefully this is good. As you see, I am in my sheepskin. Got arrows. Uh, and, and, now, I hope he comes. He can't. He's just having so many. He's having problems getting in my game. So I'm gonna. I'm just looking at how long my other friends were here. So I guess I'm just gonna take a look around. Now, if you didn't see the last one, my friend just dug underground for the whole time, and yeah. Monsters again. That's a lot. Now, this I have been nothing really much has happened. Really, I'm just wandering around. Now, the last time I placed a pumpkin right here, pumpkin right here, and then my friend that dug on the ground dug right here, then also dug dug right in here, and I broke in through the window, and yeah, that was a fail. Swimming towards me. That sheep. That sheep. Come on, I can use its pole to get up. Yeah, so I got in through it. So I got into there. But there's no other way really in without destroying stuff. But just to get in, I would have to destroy at least one thing or place something. See? Yeah, I'll destroy this. Put them there. That's the only way I can really get there. I can't even get there through that. That's how good he protected himself. Now I should be able to get. I can't even get in. This is like hard. Here, I'll make a bit of hardcore. Yeah, hardcore. Yeah. Okay. So now I wonder if I can make it now. Do. Now I believe he tried to dig down there, and I was like digging around. Yeah, and that's out. I'm not gonna dig anything there. Now, I don't really believe that I've done any damage to here. I haven't exploded anything yet, but I do believe that there's like a bed taken or something. There might be a bed taken. I'm not sure. I don't think all the beds are here. They're all here. So, but I'm pretty sure somebody at least wanted it here. I wonder. I think nobody went in here because look, you see, here's the head, and they're still here, and then the armor and swords and stuff is still there. So probably nobody like took anything enchanted. I went for the move. I made a move and grabbed the diamond pick. I flied over there, so I sort of cheated. Yeah, somebody took that there. That my friend. I believe my friend took that. So that I'm not guilty of. Nobody's been to the village. Oh, now I'll let all the animals out, but whoops, now they're angry at me. Oh, I did that on purpose. Whoa, I think they found the way. Whoa, 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 dangerous, dangerous. Think about it. Not fun anymore, is it now? Yeah. Of course, like always, I'm the winner. No, this egg probably doesn't have anything in it. Shoo, you will. Got an egg. Got an egg. I've I've been around for a while. I know how to get to places that are easy to get to. It's not in water. I now see when you get to those. Whoa, cool. I'll be a floating boat. Oh, that's so cool. Come on, be a floating boat. I want to be a flying boat. There's no boat like another. Do I feel colada? Oh, oh, no, no, okay. Ah, haha. Glitchy boat. That glitchy boat. You're placing boats here. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. They're supposed to go in water. Like pina colada. I'm putting like boats on here. It looks pretty cool. They're gonna all drift away soon. Because you see how they're like bouncing up and down. Because they're having a party, that's what they're doing. Oh yeah, well, with that, I ruined it. Boop, boop, boop. I wonder if you throw an egg at those, they'll break. Oh no, it spawns baby chickens? I didn't know that. Well, I guess this isn't a Herobrine is Haunting video, but, baby chickens. I guess, I'm gonna show you, I guess I guess I've just had fun and, I showed you what I've been using. Yeah. So just remember, this is the most important message. Like and subscribe. Oh wait, no, that's not the most important message. This is the most important message. Baby chickens. That's right. Baby chickens. Chickens. Oh, if you see the Hunger Games Catching Fire, I just need to tell you that you gotta see it. It's hilarious. There's this crazy lady that like gets all crazy because in the Hunger Games Catching Fire, the whole thing at the clock. Spoiler alert, but this lady is like going crazy because of it, and she noticed it, and her friends didn't. So she's like, TikTok, 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 and then she was singing, and the clock struck one, and the mouse ran the clock. It's funny. So you just gotta see that, and the most important message again is baby chicken. Dun, dun, dun. So yeah, like, subscribe, and make sure you make sure you spam that subscribe button because I'm pretty sure you want to be a Buzzer Knight. That's my new thing. That's what you'll be when you subscribe, a Buzzer Knight. That's right, Buzzer Knight. So you gotta see this. Yeah, you gotta subscribe. Yeah. Goodbye and bye.